What's popping, everybody? Welcome back to another new and amazing week. You feel me? This week is gonna be amazing. This week is gonna be blessed. This week is gonna be great, fantastic for us all. So, if you're just coming to this channel and are here to subscribe, guess what? We are almost at 1 million subscribers. Subscribe, be one of these 1 million subscribers. Let's get it. So, today is Tuesday. I've analyzed the market, I've done my market, let's say, market rituals. I've done my market rituals, but no opportunity. And I actually woke up today with great energy that, yeah, we're passing this challenge today, come on. But no trade, and you know it. No trade, no execution. Simple as that. No opportunity, no execution. So, well, like I always say, no trade is also a trade, but it's a break-even trade. You feel me? So if you look at it like that, you will not be restless when there's no trade. So it's better than taking a trade and taking a loss. You feel me? That's out of your plan. So when you don't see any trade within your plan, you simply step back. That means that day is break-even, capital preserve, which is the most important thing, capital preservation. So I just thought, let me use this period to share or go over the account stats. Let me start screen record. Start. Yeah, so I'm starting with the life accounts. You know, the stats on the life accounts. If you see 1 year record, still the same account. Look at the equity curve. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love what I'm seeing, honestly. Every time I'll just come look at this equity curve and I'll like feel myself. I'm like, yeah, I'm doing it. You feel me? So you see, overall profit on this account is actually $21. That's 2,102.60 cents. And very soon, that thing's getting to $100. I believe. It's actually giving me a lot of motivation. Maybe I'm going to start another one by this side, and probably. Don't worry, let's see how it goes. So, overall profit on the account is 21. You know why the deposit says 103. If you are a day one, you know why it says so. Then our win rate has actually reduced because last week we had 3 trades, 2 were losses, 1 was win, which brought our wins to about 7 out of 15, 47% win rate. Not bad. Our profit factor also reduced to 2.47. And lastly, you see, for the month, we are almost at what we made last month. Last month we made 53%. That is, we grew our account by half. This month we have more than doubled it. We have made 51%. And bear in mind that 51% is actually compound. It's compounding because it's 51% of the last balance of last month. So if I tap on it, you see the stats by the side. I don't really understand the stats. I believe that they should also be showing us something like monthly win rates or something like that, but it doesn't show it. So network is quite poor. So let's just go to the Marvin dashboard. Yeah, the Marvin dashboard also, we ended the last week with 6.82% in profit. Like, that's the overall profit, and balance is 341. So one good win and we're passing this challenge, which most likely happen tomorrow because no trade today. Overall win rate on this account is quite low, it's 31%, but still we're in profit regardless. Then profit targets were 85%, 5.29 close to profit targets. Best trade, blah 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 blah. That's not my business. Yeah, this is that Thursday trade, 49.95 USD loss. And this is what I love to see. Feel me? So throughout this month, we've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades this month, and only 3 wins, which is like 40 something percent. Not bad. So what else? Yeah, 2 trades last week, 3 trades last week. This was a loss, this was a win, and this was a loss. So we ended the week with about 50. You can see we ended the week with $50, which is just 1%. So what I like to see throughout this month, every week has been profitable. You see, week 1, 117, 2%, week 2, 2%, week 3, 3 hour, or 1 hour, which means we have totaled about 5 hours this month. Not bad. So this week, I'm like hopeful that we're going to catch like 6 hours, so that this month will be like 11 hours total. But that's it. So let me keep this video too long. There's no reason to keep it too long actually, since we still have a lot of things to do before the end of the week. So I appreciate you for coming back again to watch this growth, on this channel, and to also enjoy the documentation process. As I'm documenting it here, I'm also documenting it on Telegram. But it is what it is. So catch you tomorrow, where we're going to take a trade, where we're passing that challenge. You feel me? We're passing the challenge tomorrow. I'm visualizing it. I'm seeing it. We're passing it tomorrow. Tomorrow. Hear me. Hear the word of the Lord. Tomorrow we're passing this challenge. Give us good opportunity. Amen. Peace. So good morning, guys. Today's Wednesday, and I've analyzed the market. I've checked. No opportunity. Feel me? Tuesday, no opportunity. Today, too, no opportunity. This week is just going to be a dry week, where I'm coming and showing up and saying no opportunity. But it's a good thing. You understand? It's a good thing. If I look back at myself like a year ago and think of myself as somebody that will be away from the market, like come to think of it, since Friday, no trade, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and still I'm in my sane mental health, or shall I say now, and I'm not trying to force trades. All I just see is growth. All I see is growth, honestly. All I see is growth. It is well. So no trade today, no positions today. So it's not much I'm going to do. I just took a screen record to see that I've not actually taken any trade throughout this week. So let's come tomorrow again and see how the market plays out. Let's come and see how the market plays out. Remember, a no trade is still a trade, but a break-even trade. You understand? Capital preservation is the number one priority. You understand? Control what you can control. Protect what you cannot control. Yeah, that's the saying by Dax anyways. So let's go. See you guys tomorrow. Hope you all having a good week also, because I'm having a good week. You feel me? So we move. So welcome back, guys. Today is the last trading day of the week. Today is Thursday. What's today's date? Thursday, 25th of June 2026. And no trade. This week is crazy. I'm telling you, no trade at all. So this week, nothing, no opportunity. I come, wake up, analyze market every day, no opportunity. Wednesday game, same thing, no opportunity. Today also, no opportunity. Come on. And last week I believe I could pass. I didn't pass. You understand? I was close, just made 1 hour. This week, I believe I could pass. Made nothing, but lost nothing also. If you look at it that way, I lost nothing. So next week I'm gonna pass. And hopefully I pass. You feel me? You get what I'm saying now? So the thing is that I don't have, like, I'm not coming to maybe make money every day. Okay, it may look funny, but my job is not to look for trades every week. My job as a trader is to execute my edge flawlessly. You understand? Every week. And my edge says no trade, so I don't force trades. You understand? If I had forced it and maybe won and passed the challenge, then it would have been a win, but in the real sense it's a loss, because once I break that rule and break that habit, it makes it easier to break it second time. It may be good now, but in the future it's going to sabotage a lot. So, but I thank God for the discipline. I'm grateful for the discipline. So eventually I came throughout this week, no trade. And Thursday is the last trading week, so Friday I'm not going to be even, I will not even open the market and stock up, look for opportunity. So let me just walk you to the account stats, because I don't even know what to see right now. Let me just walk you to the account stats. How the market is doing right now. 3, 2, 1, go. So the equity, you can see the current equity is still the same account. It's still where we started this week, to 5,341.15. Imagine. So this is not my business. So we're 85.29% into passing this guy, and blah 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 nonsense. Yeah, this is what concerns me. So if you check this week, look at the history of this week. Let me see. The last trade was still that USJPY sale, which was last week Thursday, 18/06/2026. That was last week on this account. If you can see on the 23rd there was no trade, on the 24th there was no trade, today is 25th, there's still no trade. So this week empty, like that. So this week empty. So eventually this week we made nothing. We made nothing and we lost nothing. So it's still a good week, you understand? It's a break-even week. So far all the rules are followed, you understand? So one thing I will just say that is helping me, and I believe can also help you, is that I try to change my mindset into from seeing it as a challenge phase, you understand? I'll just tell myself that, okay, what if it's a life account where there's no target, you understand? Sometimes that target, it creates one kind of false impression, like you have to eat something, you understand? That's why many traders sabotage their accounts, trying to pass in a month, trying to pass within 1 week. I got funded within 5 days. I got funded. It's good, but what that creates is a mental barrier, like a mental resistance. Like, I'm trying to achieve this, because if it was a life account, I won't stress on making maybe 8%. You understand what I'm saying? This month is wonderful if it was a life account. You understand what I'm saying now? So I'll just be waiting. At the end of the month, I make my withdrawal and I get paid. You get what I'm saying now? But because of that target is making you feel like you have not achieved anything this month. Whereas there's progress. At least this month I've made 5 how. If it was a life account, that's like $250. You understand? With 80% split, profit split and everything, you will have gotten like, I don't know, do the maths, maybe $200 or so. You get what I'm saying now? So this week has been a great week. Thank you for coming back again and tuning in. I really appreciate. And if you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Are you not finding value on this channel? Come on, we're almost at 1 million subscribers, and you can be one of those 1 million subscribers. You feel me? So subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit it, and then share also. You understand? Let others discover this channel. I appreciate you all. So I wish you all a fantastic week. This week has been fantastic for me, very fantastic. I wish you all a fantastic next week, which is going to be the last week of which month is this? Of June. Yeah, it's going to be the last week of June, and we'll be entering in. According to my prayer, I just pray to actually begin the next phase by July. You understand? But nonetheless, what I just have to do is to keep showing up every day and following my plan. So thank you for tuning in. I'll see you again next week. Peace.
If your dreams do not scare you, they are not big enough. The size of your dreams must always exceed your current capacity to achieve them.